Side of the face, boom, it's gone. This lady here, side of the face, forehead, boom, it's gone. It's as simple as that.
Do you want to know his secret?
Right guys, I'm just going to show you in this video, if you've never used Evoto before, one of the main features that makes it worth purchasing if you are a portrait photographer. Now, don't forget guys, this week it's Black Friday, so we have got a discount code below where you can get 5% extra off any purchase you make, and the link that I provide will give you up to 35% off any purchase you make. Anyway, apart from that, I'm just going to show you quickly why this software is such a game changer. It's a shame really that they do the credit system. That is the only gripe I have with the software, but apart from that, it is still amazing, and I'm just going to show you how well it can do this right now. Right guys, we've got this lady on the screen right now, and as you can see, she's got some blemishes on her face that could do with fixing, and I'm sure she'd be happy if we fix some of these problems up before we presented her with a photo. So I'm just going to show you how quickly. All I'm going to go over is the blemish removal on a certain amount of images, and then we will finish off doing a quick edit as well. But let me just show you how quickly you can achieve really good realistic looks. Okay, so we got freckles and acne, boom. There we go, before, after, before, after. Keeps the skin detail as well, before, after. How good was that? I'm going to show you a few more examples. Boom, before, after, before, after. Let's go for one more. Side of the cheek here. It's just ruining this picture, in my opinion. We've got this portrait shot again. Side of the face, boom, it's gone. This lady here, side of the face, forehead, boom, it's gone. It's as simple as that. This lady here, boom, it's gone. We'll just get through all these images in no time. And if you can show me some other software that can do it as quick and as good as that, I will buy you dinner. Seriously, there's nothing on the market that can do it as good as Evoto. And that's me saying that. I do give honest opinions on the software I use. Even one of my other favourites, Portrait Pro, cannot do it as quickly and as good as this software can in no time at all. So I'm going to finish off this video quickly. We're just doing a quick edit on this image, and then we would be able to present it to the client, and I'm sure they'd be more than happy with the results we give. So we'll just go up with a few other editing features that we would do. Again, everything's so quick. Doesn't take you long at all. We're just going to add a little bit of colour to those lips as well. Let's get that one on. Actually, let's try that one. And we're just going to give a light coating just to about there. We're going to give a little bit of contour to the face and a little bit of eyeliner. We're going to highlight the eyes with some extended lashes. Just a slight bit of blush on the face as well. Not too much. And we're just going to turn the face a little bit and tilt. Bring her down to about there. Eyes, we're just going to bring those eyes up just a little bit, and we're done. I'm just doing, like I said, quick edits. There's the before, there's the after in seconds. We will do one more. Well, we won't choose that one. We'll finish. Oh, that one's finished. Let's try this lady here. Okay, spots have been done. Let's go to the rest of the things we're going to sort out as well. Don't forget, guys, if you like these videos, give me a like, subscribe. You know what it means to me. Eye makeup, we're just going to go with a little bit there. We're going to contour the face to about 77. Eyes, we need to just get some a little bit bigger on the eyes. Eyeball size up just a little bit as well. We're going to thicken them eyebrows up, and we need to add some eyebrow makeup just to highlight them a little bit more. We'll go all the way up on the eyebrows. Eyeliner, going to highlight those eyes. Let's go for the bottom as well, I think. No eyeshadow, no eyebrow. Eyelashes, we're just gonna... There we go. We won't go too crazy on the eyelashes for this one. And a little bit of blush. Won't go almost, just to make that radiance stand out a little bit more. And we're done. We're just going to keep it simple for these edits, as like I said, I'm just showing you teeth flaw removal. Let me just have a quick look. Yeah, well, okay, then we'll go up a little bit on the teeth flaws. Teeth whitening, no need to do that one. And let me just get some symmetry on the face. And we're done. So we're going to go before, after, boom, we're done. Simple as that. So don't forget, guys, link down below will get you a good amount of money off this software till the end of the week. Don't forget, like, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.
People say because I'm